One of the common aloes in our area and that everybody loves is called Aloe Marlotti. So we at the Aloe Farm grow a special variety. It's called variety by color. And this is what it looks like. What makes Aloe Marlotti special is the fact that the racemes are horizontal. You see, they come out horizontal. They've got beautiful colors. It's a fantastic aloe. It feeds a lot of birds in winter too. Now, in the wild, you also get a small aloe called Aloe Daviana. It looks like this. It's got little pinkish flowers. They flower all at this time of the year. So when the two of them occur together, you seldom get hybrids because they are pollinated by different birds. But here at the Aloe Farm, we are also pollinators. So we've made a hybrid between Aloe Marlotti and Aloe Daviana. And we use the bicolor form. So this is what they look like. Look at this. That's the one just coming into flower. Isn't that a beaut? Look how the bicolor comes through. But a normal Marlotti is normally an orangey color, like this one over here. You see, that's more of a typical Marlotti that you would find if you go for a walk in the bush. When we cross this with Daviana, it looks differently. Come and have a look here. Not like that, but more like this. Look at that. Can you see? Isn't that beautiful? So, and a hybrid, okay, when you're making a hybrid, you normally expect something that will be between the two. So they complement each other and they go in between. And that's what makes hybridizing so interesting. You never quite know what you're going to get, but you suspect somewhere in the middle. So when we make our hybrids, we normally pick the best plants we can get to cross with the other best part we can get because of the variety within the species. And then we hope to get super babies. Look at that. Isn't that a beaut? And isn't nature wonderful? You should come and visit at the Aloe Farm at the moment. It is a blaze of color.